of course, all the cities and some international locations as well. Vidisha. So Anuj, should we go to start now, or we need to wait 1 or 2 minutes more because already we are 5:04, 4 minutes late right now. So
So
still, but
Ashu,
I'm
I
sure
think
the
so.
people are joining. So
Yes, we can start. No problem. We can start. So I'm removing my screen. So welcome to all the people who joined from Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Mumbai, Bangalore, Vidisha, Vishakhapatnam, Allahabad, Vellore, Pune, Chandigarh, Istanbul, Calicut, and Nagarkoil. So welcome to everyone for this program. It's a program which will give you the insights of the eQuest, which is an energy simulation tool. So Ashu, who is the today's presenter, he will take you through the program, what is the program, and what we are doing, and what you can expect the program. You can are welcome to put up your questions in the chat box, or you can once we have a question around, you can unmute yourself and take your questions, then we will discuss. So let's make this session very interactive with Ashu's presence. Thank you so much.
all right, Anuj, thank you so much, Anuj. So I think I'm going to share my screen now. Anuj, is my screen visible?
Just a minute, Ashu, let me check. No, Ashu, it is not visible.
All right, I connected with that with the crazy and all. Can any
You
other
have.
one confirm? Okay, I just need to share. Okay, is visible now?
Yes, it is coming now. Yes.
Perfect.
But yes, it is coming, but not on the full screen.
Okay, I'll do that right away. It is on my full screen now. Is that okay, Anuj? Should I move it?
Just there's a one frame is coming, Ashu. Like that frame should not become there.
Okay. हाँ, वीडियो नहीं है अभी. I think it's okay. Frame पे कोई दिक्कत नहीं. All right, so guys, welcome. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ashu Gupta. I'm just going want to give you my background. I'm a mechanical engineer by education. More than 12 years of experience in energy efficiency, green building certification, energy audits, green building compliances or ECBC compliances, ASHRAE 90 point compliances in the last 12 years. And I am a managing director of this company called Design to Occupancy D2O. So we started this initiative called D2O Learning during the COVID. Of course, the COVID, sometimes the opportunity also comes up. Are people are capable to do trainings online because earlier before the COVID, the people are not used to do that. But now these days we found people are very used to do a digital training, and we have to change with the technology always all the time. So this is so D2 learning is different courses. We have done several courses since last 3 4 months. Trained more than 150 professionals. We have trained
Ashu,
already
Ashu,
more than
Ashu,
150
your
professionals in India and of course abroad who has been trained on the. Yes. Yeah, Anuj. Anuj, are
Ashu,
you
your
facing my
voice,
voice?
your voice is cutting and breaking in between.
All right. Okay. 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 Just give me a minute. Might be the network issue. I'll try to solve it right now. Is that okay, Anuj, now?
Yes.
क्या हो गया ये अब? तू जब तक तू is visible, Anuj? Is visible?
Should be full screen. Full screen.
Already the full screen. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. Some technical glitches because the first time we are using for the Prezi with the Microsoft team, and this is something the innovative which we found the video and the presentation all together. So that is the reason. Otherwise, I have done several webinars or training on the Microsoft team. That is not an issue. But the Prezi we are doing first time, so might be some issues related to that. So so I was saying that this program, so I'll tell you that what we are going to do that with the program. Anuj, just inform me if my voice and the video or the content is not clear. Otherwise, I'm going to move forward on that. So this program, the D2O learning is started, and we have done more than 6 batches right now, trained more than 150 professionals in India and abroad on the lead certification and the HVAC design part, and of course the energy simulation part. So this is the same thing we are bringing up together. We're bringing up our next batch, which is the building simulation. And now the people ask why it is required, the why we required building simulation. 6 months before, no one thinking to have Microsoft Team or the Google Meet or might be the Zoom Meet. They were not required at this moment. And the pandemic came up, and at the same time, the new innovation started, which the came up. The people has to use the digital trainings and digital learnings from those platforms. Similarly, the now the future is the virtual. Everything is going to the virtual. So why not buildings? And buildings also has to go virtually, and this is the simulation does. So what actually the building simulation, we make a virtual replica of a building in a software, and we put up all the parameters like energy, daylight, thermal comfort, wind, natural ventilation, all these things in that, and the intent and the output of the simulation in different ways, so we can design our building so innovative way. We can save a lot of money while selecting the material. So this is the reason the simulation is the need of an hour. And the very most of the architects, when you talk with them, they do either they're using the 2D or might be they're using the Revit software now there for designing. But the people have to understand that with the technology we need to upgrade ourselves, and this is the next edition of those that they want to building should be performed, the building analysis should be there, and that's the reason we brought up, because I personally have done more than 250 trainings on energy conservation building code in India. More than 10,000 architects and engineers I have trained on that code. But the challenge always come when the work come, the 99% time the people mostly go with the simulation approach. 1% go for the prescriptive approach. So, but the very few people in India actually who knows simulation. So this simulation is very, very much required, is the need of an hour, and which is include. So I'm going to talk with that. So this program definitely is going to cover the eQuest software, which is the free of cost software, is not a paid software. So we can share you the link of that software. You can download and you can make any kind of building virtually and see the energy consumption of that building. So in this program, definitely we are going to train on the eQuest part. Now the eQuest, when the people say eQuest is the building energy analysis tool approved by the all the green rating system, and of course is a funded program by the US Department of Energy. So it is a free of cost, that is a funded program, and it has the ability to do the hourly variations of occupancy, lighting power, miscellaneous equipment, HVAC system, all the part load performance curves also we can model. So you can see the left side, the graph. These kind of graph we generally get, which is the energy consumption of that building on annual basis or a monthly basis. We can do that kind of analysis in this software. So this is the virtual replica of the any building, and we can do the similar analysis for any building for that. So I told you the equest about it. Ab now program, because what we are going to do this program, this will be the 2 week hands-on practice on the simulation software. I have done several training on the software, but the people said train me in the 2 day program or the 3 day program. It is not possible in the 2 day or the 3 day. Software is like a garbage in or garbage out. If you don't know the building physics, your software knowledge will not be helpful. So we need to understand the building physics also. So I'm going to talk with that what is the minimum criteria for that. But this is a 2 week program where we will understand the entire simulation process through the eQuest software. Each module, each day, the module and the mock test will be given to you. So you should do the work from home also and enhance your knowledge. After the training program, you should have some work to do so that you will going to do. So this is the batch 2, which is we are going to start from 21st of September. Already this month only we completed our batch 1, and amazing response by the batch 1 people. I'll show you that also. And so now this is about the program. Now the program takeaways, because every time the person has to understand what I will get to learn this software, or what from this training, why this training is something extra different from the others, or the YouTube videos. This is something, the live sessions from the expert. Every day it will be the live session, no recorded thing, so you will not get bored in that. Second issue is the hands-on learning on eQuest. Uh, of course, in eQuest, mock test after each day module, reference material, all the reference material will be given to you. You will get the certificate for completion of this training also. And the best part, which is the very amazing part, you will be part of the D2O extended team member. Like I'll give an example, around 150 people we have trained on the green building and the eQuest thing. And out of 150, we are giving the live project to 20 to 25 people who were very much interested to do some kind of the hands-on on the various projects, and we did that. And this is something, of course, we always highlight and we always do, because we need people, and this market, this industry is growing in a big way. We need some this is the D2 extended team member. Now the question comes, for who should join this program, because this is something people always ask this. So any students, any professional I'm talking about, either either he or she is an architect, engineer, civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, electronics engineer, environmental engineer, any kind of professional, and any student can learn this. Whoever wants to make their career for the sustainable building industry, they can join this program and learn these things. Another thing, program expert who will be your like a mentor, or I would say the teacher. The program expert will be myself. Of course, I will take the session. Anuj, Neeraj is experienced person, and Swapnil. These are the people who were been involved in the hands-on training practice for this program. 2 week program schedule. Just want to highlight you what is the 2 week program schedule. On Monday, because this is not a wizard mode or the simple training, it is a detailed training. We will call you in the we will do the roll call, introduction of energy modeling, why required what is the benefit of the energy modeling when you get trained. 23rd September, all of you should attend with the hands-on with the AutoCAD zoning. We are not going with the dummy building. We are going to import the physical AutoCAD plans in the software. The AutoCAD zoning in the wizard mode you will complete. On the Friday, you will get the detail mode of the eQuest and all the project site, building shell, internal loads, ASHRAE standard. Because when we create a baseline, now the people ask what is the help, because we right now I'll go talk about the ECBC also, because on the ECBC this is much more required. But when we do the clients in the US or any international clients, those people have to compare with the ASHRAE 90.1, and ASHRAE 90.1 we need to create that model. So we will train you what are the requirements of 90.1 which we need to highlight. So this is in the second week we will go in the detailed mode of the eQuest, airside systems of HVAC, understand entire the baseline system, and of course, detail mode when we relate it to it is a water side systems, mostly chiller, boilers, air. So all those systems we will model in the detail mode. And the question and answer session on the 2nd October. This is a 2-week program. Alternate day we will have a training program. We will give you some live mock test and the training and the session. So, but I'll tell you guys, the simulation is the tool which you have. Whenever you do more practice, you will learn more. But here you will get all the shortcuts, all the things which is required as a professional energy modeler. It is not a basic training of the 1 day, 2 day, but it is a professional. You want to do your career in the energy modeling, you can do that. But the condition, you have to do some practice at home also, because we can give you the lot of things, a lot of database, lot of manuals, but you need to do some practice with that. So fee structure, of course, already shared with a lot of you. Most of you have already registered with this program. So this is the 4,500 rupees plus GST for the early bird, which is going to close today. And for the international participant, this is 120 USD. And which is because this today is the early bird, which we are going to close. Already several people has been registered. Now, of course, the same platform we will be using the Microsoft Team, where we will do use, and I'm sure most of you are very familiar with this tool, so that is not a problem. What people say, because that is something you need to understand what people says about our training. So this is the last batch. Some people has given a feedback on the LinkedIn, and you can see and understand what kind of training we are providing. The people who are already the managing partner level people on the design consulting firm were already having so many accolades. Those people are writing for us, so that means we have trained something better. So this is kind of feedback we have received. You can see the people, like this is the person from Tata Consulting Engineers. They also attended our event, and they got very impressed with they were saying, because whenever you do any training for the simulation, it will not come less than $400 or $500, and it will be the 2-day training, 3-day training. Generally in India doesn't happen, but whenever someone is doing, some institutes is doing, it takes so much amount. But this is something we want, because D2O learning is not a profitable. We want to bring more and more people in this industry, because I still found in the last 12 years we have very few people, very few energy modelers in India. My company is more than 80 plus engineers right now. We are working we have delivered more than 2000 energy modeling projects for the US clients. So you can imagine how much work from the different countries comes to the Indian market. And this is the simulation power. And this is the work which you can sit in India anywhere, either in the village where you need a network connectivity. You can do any building in the world, that kind of work from here. So this is something amazing part in that. So you can see some of the people feedback about us. This was the program where around 22 people in this program, around 22 people, because we do not take more than 25 people in a one batch, because when we do a training, it is not a one-way communication. It is the two-way communication, and you can see the faces, from the fresher to the experience, more than 20 years experience people. Some of the people are from the government department, like Jharkhand Renewable Energy Department person also joined, and they are making such kind of training program for their state now. So this is happening. So this was the picture of last training program which happened. Now the comes when we talk about of course, this is the sample certificate which you will get it. You can, of course, whenever you are using your social media account, you can put up about this thing, and in your CV it will accept some value that you have attended some kind of energy simulation program. Now this is the very much required, because a lot of time the question comes, what is the prerequisite for this program? I don't want anybody should come with this program. I want the person who should have some basic understanding of the building segment. Because if someone doesn't understand how the building physics work, that is the reason I'm saying that any architect or engineer, because they understand the building physics, how the heat comes in the building, when we say that convection, conduction, radiation. So this is some kind of the prerequisite, and of course you should have some understanding of the 2D software, either any software, it is AutoCAD or any software, but some basic understanding of the 2D, that how we make a drawing in that. So this is some kind of prerequisite. If you don't know anything, you want to, so I'm sure this course is not for you. because some basic understanding, not I'm telling the very basic, is not required. Second, sometimes the people say I'm a working professional, I will miss the session because I cannot give my 2 hours daily. I'm saying guys, because this will be the recorded session and you will get the recording. If you miss something, you will get the entire recording session for limited period, because we cannot do the unlimited period. Otherwise, there will not the people will attend this program. So for the limited time, it will be you can attend those program and learn if you miss something. And you can, of course, you can attend the session through phone, but we would encourage you, because when you do the hands on, you need to do also your working in parallel with us. So this is, I would recommend to join with the computer or the laptop, but on the phone also you can attend this program. That is the fourth point. If you have some query during the program, which I want to highlight guys, we are not doing only just 2 week program, we want to do a long term association with all of you. So whenever you found any query anytime, we will create a WhatsApp group. You just put your query on the WhatsApp group, we will respond on that. And our aim does is not doing just training program. Our aim to train to make a energy modelers in India. That we right now I say that I think energy modelers not more than 200 people in India. We should have more than 20,000 in India, and that is the main intent right now we have. And of course, the people always say, do I need to purchase software? No, not required. We will share you the link of this. This is a free of cost. But definitely, if you want to learn IES or some other software, then you need to purchase. But this is the eQuest VR, which is a worldwide accepted. You don't need to purchase any software for that. Other than this guys, so I'm of course I would urge you to joining. Now I'll tell you why the simulation is required, because the technical part, always the people ask why simulation. I already told you the virtual replica. Yesterday only I got a one big redevelopment project meeting in Mumbai, and I was having a virtual meeting. That client was not going for any green building certification. That client wants the value addition in the building. What value addition we can give? Think about it. Like as a normal architect or the MEP consultant, they only approach like put up this glass, either the single glaze, double glaze. But if you do the energy simulation, sometimes you suggest put a 25 insulation. But if you do the energy simulation with the numbers, you can prove that how much the 25 insulation will help, how much the double glazed glass will help, and what will be the ROI analysis, the return of investment. And this is actually the value addition. I'm giving an example. I did a one project in Jaipur where the architect suggested to my client to put up a DGU. All that building went for the LEED certification for gold rating, and they want to put up a DGU everywhere on the site, all sites. But I was the energy consultant for those people. I suggested, I think architect was giving a very good overhangs and the fins on the windows. We don't require double glaze at all location. We need to optimize that actually where the heat is coming more. On those sides, the heat is coming more. We need to put DGU. Otherwise, we can do with the single glaze. And that was the single decision saved around 22 lakh rupees of my client on the selection of the glazing. So you can understand the value of this. Similarly, for the air conditioning also, sometimes the people get confused. I need to go the VRF system or the chilled water system or the chiller or the split AC system. So these are the some kind of the comparison, and with the help of simulation, you can talk with the client with the numbers that this is the reason why we should do that. So of course, this is the one approach which actually I want the people should do. But in India, any green building certification you talk about, LEED, IGBC, GRIHA, SOCHM, all required this the energy criteria with the help of simulation. Now, another thing which is the Bureau of Energy Efficiency developed the ECBC code. I'm not sure, but some of you might be aware that code, Energy Conservation Building Code. That code having a two approach. One is the prescriptive approach and second is the mandatory approach. In the prescriptive, you can do all the things whatever written in the guideline. But in the mandate second is the simulation approach. In the simulation approach, what you can do, you can, if your envelope is coming very expensive, you can go with the high efficient air conditioning system. or if the air conditioning is very expensive, you can go with the high efficient lighting system. So these kind of alteration or the trade-off we can do in the simulation approach. And ECBC is already notified in most of the states in India. I think very soon it will be in this year or in the next year, it will be notified in all the states in India. Already the government has established the cell in every state, and their target, once this notification will happen, whatever the building is coming, if the connected load is more than 100 kilowatt, they need to comply with ECBC. And ECBC, the most of the people goes with the simulation approach only, because simulation approach gives you the comfortability to choose the material. Either we should go with the lighting or HVAC or the envelope, because we should not do all things all together, and this saves a lot of money to the client. So that is the reason. These are the some point, but I'll give you the more bigger example why my company, like we have, I told you we have 80 plus team member. Our company major revenue is not from India. We do a lot of work for the different clients in United States and Saudi Arabia and other countries. Those architects and engineers, there's a mandatory, every building whenever they construct, they need to comply with local energy compliances. And those local energy compliances, we sitting in the Jaipur office or the Delhi office, we can do those kind of work anywhere. So those clients we are working. So similarly, once you also get trained, you will see several platform the people wants the energy modeler in that. And this is actually, the energy industry is booming. After the pandemic situation, the people say the job has lost, several people has lost the job and all. But try to think, people, that energy industry, like when we say the energy industry or the sustainable industry, now every word is talking about this climate change issues. And this is, the building consumes around 40% global energy consumption. It consumes a lot. And when you construct a building, that building by 50 years, you do not demolish that building. The energy consumption is going high and high every year. And how? So we need to focus. Otherwise, it will be too late. This is already the proven by the UNFCCC that if we do the similar way, the natural resources we are using, our climate, our temperature outside will be the rise by 1.5 degrees centigrade, and that would be the most bigger pandemic than the COVID-19. So please understand, guys, this is very much required at this moment. Very few people in India actually who are working in this industry, and I would urge or encourage you guys to come in this industry. It is a huge requirement, and I'm sure this training will help you a lot to understand this energy simulation criteria. So now I would request to take some questions from you people. So of course, our company is there, so I will be more happy if someone wants to ask a question. So Anuj, you can communicate
Yeah.
how they can do.
Ashu, before questioning, like I would like to take a one poll.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just presenting my screen.
Can I close my screen now?
Yes. Just so there is a one question on the screen, like, are you familiar with building energy simulation through eQuest? So just put go to menti.com, like hope you are did on the first poll. Just go to menti.com or and put the code 6474489 if you're new to that one. Just put the code and just respond to this poll. It's a real time, so just put give the response on this poll so that we shall be aware about, like, you are aware about this software or not. Accordingly, we will take the questions up. So we have received the 5 response till now. Request to everyone, please go to menti.com and put the code 6474489 and give your answer on this. Hope the presentation was engaging. And there's a one link also given in the chat box. Like if you would like to attend this program, which is starting from 21st of September, please share your details in the link so that our team will get back to you with the payment options and all. So out of around 30 people, we have received 14 responses. So request to all people, please just share your responses here so that we must be aware. Accordingly, we will plan the program for you.
So
out
code
of
is
four,
already, sorry,
yes, sir.
code is already, I think Kirti is asking for the code that is already written on the screen,
It is on the screen,
6474489.
489.
So I think Anuj, I will be more happy to take some questions. So if someone wants to
Yes.
ask a question, just raise the hand. So we will ask him to unmute and then ask. If someone have any question related to this, I'll be more happy to do. Do we have any question?
If there are any question, please put raise your hand and you
I
can
think
unmute yourself.
Gopi has asked a question. Gopi, please unmute yourself and ask a question.
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Gopi.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible, Gopi.
Yeah, good evening. So, you'll be teaching only the basic things, or you are going to teach some live projects, and you are going to give some simulation which we will do on our own.
Right. So, Gopi, our intent to, I'll tell you that I think you can go through our LinkedIn page and see the people who has joined the first batch and take a feedback from those people. Because we are not, I told you in the start, we are not going to train you in the 1 day, 2 day simulation on the in the basic way. We are going to train you on the live project when you get an AutoCAD drawing. How can we import those AutoCAD drawing and working, and what the actual results we get, and how we compare with the when we do the ECBC compliance or the any other compliances, how we compare with those things. So it will be the very detailed training. It will not be only the simple training. So that's the reason I'm saying. So I think you can ask the people who has already attended this program earlier. You can find those people on LinkedIn and just ask those people, take a feedback.
Okay, sir. Okay.
All right. Is there any other question?
There is a question from Mr. Amit, like, are we going to learn about software today? So Ashu, can you
No.
respond?
No. Software, definitely, software is not a thing that I can cover you in the 1 hour session or the half an hour session. It is a time process. This is in the detailed training program, you will get to know about about the energy simulation. Today, definitely, it's a broad idea about how the simulation, how does it help. That was the intent behind the today's session, not the detailed training session on the software.
So there was a question on like how we can do the payment for this program. So the payment you can do if you have a bank in India, you can do the Google bank transfer through Google Pay or the Phone Pay or the Paytm and the bank transfer. So we will share the payment, the bank details to you. And if you're from outside India, you can PayPal. And if you just put your details on the that link which is given in the chat box, we will share the PayPal link to you so that you can do the
All right.
payment.
There is a question from Mehak. Do we need to install AutoCAD? So Mehak, any CAD software, any 2D software, either it's the AutoCAD or ZWCAD or any software, you can do that. That definitely it is required because we need to do a 2D zoning on that CAD software. So it's not only the AutoCAD, any CAD software. Gopi question, is your team present in Bangalore? No, Gopi, Bangalore right now during the pandemic, most of the team is working from home only. But we have an office in Hyderabad where the 5-6 people sits there, but we don't have any person in Bangalore right now.
So there is a one question. So yeah,
Link to download eQuest software. Definitely, it is going. We will share you entire reference material, all the links and all the manual also. So there is a link which we will share. Well, once you in the training program. So I think Mr. Shamkant is saying I have 2007 version. I have absolutely it is workable, sir. No problem. Either the 2007, 2010 version, whatever. So it will work. Thank you so much, Mr. Mirashi. I think you have already registered. Good to have you. Look forward to have more interaction with you. Great.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Sorry for interrupting. So there is question from Ravin Chikalekar. that will you going to cover HVAC system basics?
Yeah, definitely. Because without basics, we cannot train you directly on the software. We need to train you on the some basic concepts of the HVAC system also, how we get the design and how, what set when you are doing the VRF system, how we can and how can we run the VRF system in the software. So this is the basic understanding of the HVAC system. Definitely, we will provide. Meanwhile, I think on Friday, I think we will share you the link on Friday. My session from the government side because I'm speaking on Delhi government side on HVAC only. There's a 2 hour training on the HVAC system designing. So that detail is a free of cost training is funded by the government of Delhi. So you can attend those sessions whoever interested to understand the HVAC system.
Are you going to share that link with us?
I think if you can WhatsApp Anuj or myself, I will WhatsApp to you directly because right now I don't have a direct link. So you can just
Okay, can you share your contact details?
Anuj, can you mute someone? I think some voice is
Just
coming up. Yeah, sorry. Say again. What were you asking?
Can you share your contact details on WhatsApp?
Yeah. My I think Anuj, can you just drop your number on the chat box?
yes, Ashu, I'm putting.
Okay. There is another question. It is written D2O member. So guys, D2O extended team member. Extended team members mean that whenever we get some work and you want to do a live project with us, like if you are doing a master's program where you need to do your core program, so we will train you on and we will assign you some live projects also where you can work with us directly to have more, but it depends upon the workflow. We cannot commit directly, but already we have done with the other people like 150 because it depends upon the time, because sometimes the people are full-time job, they cannot put their 1 or 2 hours every day, but we need some time for that. If someone wants to do some project with us, we can also do that. So this is for the Mehak and also the basic concept of ECBC. Definitely, sir. I think without that simulation will not any help. So we will train you on the basic concept on ECBC, ASHRAE or the lead standard. So that is the part of that program. But it is not a detailed one. We are not going to train you on the guidebook that what the guide is saying. Uh, but we will be training on the ECBC. How does it requirement? How can we help with the software? How can we do that? So this is something we will do that. We will level up.
So if
Any
any
other
other
question?
questions, please unmute yourself or put in the chat box. Because this program is going to be a good, very good one because we had a very good response from the batch one. And if you want to know the feedback, you just go to the LinkedIn, put design to occupancy, then you will have a number of feedbacks in front of you. Yes, you can put the D2O
And
scholar.
guys, and the guys, that's not the force feedback the people are putting, because the intent, if you look at the pricing part of this program, actually it is nothing, because the software to learn these things is very, because when I started my career 12 years back, that time I attended a training program which I paid around 25 to 30,000 rupees for the 2 day training program. So that's the reason that is our intent behind, because we are pretty much busy in the work. The the we are intent behind the D2O learning to train and more bring more and more people. So there is another question from Akshada. What is the market reliability of request on global scale? Of course, very nice question. This is something, Akshada, I just want to highlight you. The globe, when we talk about the eQuest, because it's a free of cost software. When we talk about the other software like ISVE, those projects are those software is around 1 lakh to 2 lakh to 3 lakh rupees, and a yearly we have to pay to the companies as a software tenants. So there are some limitation in eQuest. Of course, when you design some kind of the new innovative method like earth year tunnel system or some new innovative HV system, it is a limitation in the eQuest. But in ISV or some other software, they have those capability because they do every year update. Every year they do the lot of updates on that. But in India, in majorly most of the green rating system, it is applicable, compatible. Every industry understand that. Some countries, specifically like in UK, they ask for the reports in ISVE, but major 95% I have, which in the last 12 years we have done for the different countries, they accept the EQUAS result on that. But definitely IES is the higher version. They have some more limitation, but it is something you need to you need to have software, and that software is a huge cost. So I think Vishal, Gaurav, we cannot repeat the detail, but we can share you on the email. That would, because other people will get bored on that. So I would encourage you, if we will share you the presentation what we have, then you can reach out to Anuj or anyone. So which companies or industries consider, sir? All companies consider EQuest software. There is in the zone, and any building industry in upcoming days, when the local municipal corporation needs a compliance certificate, those people will ask you the energy modeling report, and which energy modeling report you can do on EQuest. So so this is the way, basically this is the basic thing, but I would encourage that just whoever doesn't know about this simulation software and all, please do some Google and get some research on that. I'm pretty sure you will get to know how big how this industry is growing. Is there any other question, guys?
Hello.
Yes, Gopi? Yes.
Yeah, sir, regarding payment, I can see that it is 4,500 which we pay if we pay today, and it is around 7,080 after 16. I mean, if we pay tomorrow, why is it so?
Basically, why it is so, generally we have a limitation of the seats. The 25 seats, definitely you will be part of the next batch also. So that's not worried about it. So because we will do the continue in that, not only the this month, of course, the next month will also the new batch will come. Then you can attend this program that way. But I think the better will Anuj will tell you on that way how he can do that, because he is adding this learning thing. I can't because sometimes we have to make a WhatsApp group before to start a training. We need to provide all the references, links. We need to install all those things, so it will take some time. If the people do on the same day or the one day before, it will be repeat things we have to do again for that guide. So that is the reason we always do a early bird registration.
Okay, sir, we'll do it. I'll do it too.
Hello.
Yes, yes, please.
Uh,
Yes.
Ashok, can you share the details of tomorrow's meeting with the Delhi government, which you mentioned?
I think I think take
I
Anuj
am
number.
I
Anuj
am I
number.
am I am putting in the what I am putting the chat box also. Just a minute.
Yeah, yeah. So just share that link of that meeting for tomorrow session.
Thank you.
If any questions are there, just please ask your
So there
questions.
is a
And
question from Praveen. Is the training sufficient to start working on live project? That's absolutely, it is training sufficient. But I told you that software is like a plug and play. You need to how much you will play, you will learn more. And there are the several shortcuts always comes up when you do the lot of program. In my career I have worked 5 years dedicatedly on the software side. I have learned a lot through that. So I would suggest you guys, you will get entire ball picture that how you have to do, but now it depends upon you how much practice you do at home. If you do your own home, make that own home building as a energy simulation and see the energy consumption. So this is something I always encourage to my like people whenever who get trained. So it is learning on that, but you are already HVAC designer, it will help you a lot, because the major uh, when we do the simulation, the major problem comes that a lot of architects or engineers always face a value to understand HVAC system. So if someone is already in HVAC, they do work there, that is very easy to understand that software. So already Anuj has shared the Delhi ECBC session tomorrow, and anyone can join this program.
so I thanks to Revin who joined the program and paid the fees right away. So he has joined the program. Congratulations, Revin, and see you on 21st September in the group.
Perfect.
If
All right.
Yeah, if any questions are coming up, please. I'm putting my phone number again on the group. You can WhatsApp me, call me anytime, and just go through the link, put your details there, and register for the program.
So Mehak, for the third batch, we cannot decide at this moment. Definitely, it will take some time because it depends upon our availability also. We are not regularly because during the now the unlock down has happened. The people are back to the work. So I'm sure the digital things will be less as compared to what happening in the last 6 months. So we will let you know whenever it happens. Just follow our page, the D2O page on LinkedIn, and you will get all the information there. All right, so I think thank you for your time, guys. I'm sure I did some good knowledge sharing with you, and it will be very helpful for you, all of you. And whenever come across, please follow me. Also, connect. Let's connect with me also on LinkedIn. Whenever you need any assistance, any help, don't think this training program. Just write me a mail or message. I will be more happy to support you guys to come for this.
So
Great.
I am putting the LinkedIn Ashu's LinkedIn details also on the chat box. You can directly connect to Ashu so that you will not miss any information from Ashu's side. And I'm putting my link as well. Just a minute. You can connect us on the LinkedIn as well, and you can follow our D2O learning platform there. So I believe Ashu, we can close the session and.
Yes.
And welcome everyone for the program starting from 21st. Whoever joined, please let us know, and it would be a great program, and we look forward to have your presence. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye.